full mechanical workshop, parts and accessories. Hervey Bay, Queensland. Showing strong year-on-year growth, this successful business offers a fabulous lifestyle on Queensland's stunning Fraser Coast. Raw Mechanical has been in the same location for over 25 years and is offered for sale walk-in, walk-out. Servicing and repairing all makes of vehicles, the business has grown turnover from $420,000 in 2020 to $583,000 in 2022. Raw Mechanical offers electronic rust proofing and is fully equipped to upgrade four-wheel drives with bull bars, roof racks and more. The business enjoys a consistent income stream and ongoing support from locals, with potential for further expansion. The large double-access workshop has 4 hoists, off-street parking and a spacious reception area. The sale includes a Ford Ute, equipment, tools and stock, and offers the buyer an immediate income. There is a high demand locally for fleet servicing and repairs, offering the new owner huge potential.